Hop into the 2021 Landrover Range Rover. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here is a sublimely crafted, exceptionally capable Range Rover that offers a sumptuous cabin, whisper-smooth ride, legendary off-road performance, and stunningly modern design. To drive it is simply transcendent. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, panoramic roof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, navigation system, fog lamps. Feel the thrill of superior luxury and capability in this masterfully created Range Rover. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.